This looks like a content creator's dream setup, but at this price, it could also be one of those gadgets that disappoint very quickly. This is the Q515 TKH tracking selfie stick with dual lights, made for beginners, TikTok creators, and anyone trying to level up their videos on a budget. Let us unbox this and see what it's really about. Straight out of the box, you see the two lights. It is compact, folded, and easy to carry around. Setting it up is also very simple, as we'll see in this video. There is nothing complicated about it. You open it and you mount your lights if you so desire. And I particularly like the bag that it came with, so it's easy for you to hold it and go around. Press the push button under this gimbal and the stand spreads for you to extend it up. It can actually extend up to 1.8 meters, which is actually very useful, especially if you are trying to film full body content or trying to get a wider shot. The phone holder is flexible enough to fit most devices, so you shouldn't have issues there. Now you also get a remote control with this, which is actually very useful if you are recording alone. You don't have to keep going back to your phone to start or stop videos. It just makes the whole process smoother. And then there's a 360-degree rotation, so you can easily switch angles, adjust your framing, or go from vertical to horizontal without stress. It's one of those small things that make a big difference when you are trying to get the perfect shots. Fixing the light to the body is actually very easy. Just put it in and scroll it up. It's pretty easy. The same thing applies to the other side, and you can use this gimbal with or without the light, however you choose to. This dual light is one of the main reasons you'd even consider this in the first place. I like the fact that it has different tones to fit different circumstances that you may be shooting in. The brightness is not crazy, so don't expect studio lighting level. You can turn the lights, it's 360 also. You can rotate to whichever angle you want, which is very beautiful. The biggest issue for me is the stability. Once you extend this gimbal fully, it becomes shaky. It begins to wobble. It's not very stable. It's not sturdy on the ground, which may be an issue in the long run. Be very careful when using it so that it doesn't scatter. All the same, it is a very good gimbal for a beginner that is just starting out. So would you try this or skip it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest gadget reviews. Bye.